In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily hide and unhide the ink that is being used in your workbook in Excel. So here we have some budget review data. And let's just say for one reason or another, we have different pieces that were highlighted in this data for review or for one reason or another. But what if we wanted to quickly and easily hide all of this highlighting? To do this, we want to go not to the Draw tab where the ink was originally made, but from here we want to go to the Review tab, where all the way to the right we're going to see an option under the ink grouping that says Hide Ink. Now we can quickly and easily press this to hide the ink and then unhide it. So we're hiding it for somebody else to review, and now we are going to unhide it for our own personal uses. But we can also use this feature to delete the ink very easily by clicking on this arrow right here, and we can delete all the ink on the sheet or all the ink in the workbook. In this example, I want to delete all the ink in the workbook, not just the sheet I'm in. You give it a fresh start as this was kind of temporary. It gives it a few seconds to load, but as you can see, no, all the ink was deleted. But that's it. If you're relying on the ink, whether being highlighting or drawing from the Draw tab, you have to be very careful because it's tricky, if not impossible, to re-get the ink that you once had that was there. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.